We've all seen countless videos and articles promising to reveal the ultimate secret to making big money. But today, I'm here to tell you about a game-changing concept that may seem deceptively simple, yet it holds the power to transform your life financially. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but rather a strategy that, when implemented consistently, can pave your way to millionaire status. Buckle up, because this is your ticket to success. Let's start with the core idea: your skills. Every one of us has a unique set of talents, whether it's editing, programming, acting, writing, singing, or even something less conventional.
Wait a minute, please. What if I do not have any skills?
Relax, sweetie. You have a lot. Allow me to enlighten your majesty. Any one of us has a unique number of skills. You might be not aware of it, but you do have a lot. Your voice, your movements. Everyone has a degree of creativity. You just have to develop it and build on it. The key is to identify your strengths and embrace them. Whether you're an aspiring filmmaker, a coding genius, or a vocal virtuoso, you've got something special. And guess what? That's your golden ticket. But wait, there's more to it than just having a skill. Success comes from honing that skill through relentless practice. It's like sharpening a blade. The more you work on it, the sharper it gets. Dedicate time to improving your craft, whether it's learning new techniques, staying updated, or pushing your boundaries. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is mastery. Alright, so you've put in the hours, and you're getting better day by day. Now it's time to showcase your talent to the world. We're living in the digital age, my friends, where social media, YouTube, and countless online platforms are at your disposal. Share your work, your progress, and your passion. Let people see how good you are at what you do. Building trust is the secret sauce here. As you consistently share your talent, you'll gain followers, subscribers, and a loyal fan base. People begin to trust your expertise, and that trust translates into opportunities. Whether it's clients seeking your services or companies looking for partnerships, trust is the currency of success. Believe me when I say this. Over time, as your skills improve and your reputation grows, you'll find yourself in high demand. You might get lucrative job offers, clients willing to pay top dollar, or monetization opportunities on platforms like YouTube. It's not a quick fix, but it's a proven path to becoming a millionaire. Listen carefully. Let's get a bit serious. Take a look at all these rich gurus. Do you think they're special? Do you believe they're better than you? If you do, then let me tell you that you're in big trouble, my friend. Some of them may act as if there's a secret method or they're smarter than you. But that's not the case, my friend. You have everything it takes to become not just a millionaire, but a billionaire. It's all right in front of you. So keep it up, my big fellow.